Hi angels, hi my good girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video. We're going to be talking about Dooney Bourke handbags. So today I wanted to talk about not just any Dooney Bourke handbag, I wanted to talk about these lovely Dooney Bourke multicolor handbags, the Doodle print, the 1975 print, you guys. So today I wanted to talk about this lovely beauty right here. I absolutely love the Dooney Bourke handbags. I'm a fan of multicolor bags. If you watch my channel, you know that I absolutely love Louis Vuitton multicolor bags, like the Louis Vuitton multicolor pochettes and speedies, and all the different Louis Vuitton multicolor accessories like the clays. Today I wanted to talk about this lovely Dooney Bourke multicolor Doodle bag. The Doodle print bags are just so pretty for Dooney Bourke. So I wanted to tell you guys that for me, how I think I'm going to wear the Doodle print bags for the summer is, well, spending family time with family. You know, when I go to amusement parks and water parks, sometimes, of course, I carry a water-resistant bag, but then there's sometimes when I'm just chilling on the side, you know, I might just dip my toe in the water and not get all the way in, and I want a cute, bright bag. The Doodle print bags and the shiny it bags are so nice for amusement parks and for water parks because just all the colors, they're just fun bags. The colors just look so fun, and it just makes me think of a good time out with family. It's the perfect bag for something like that, for an activity like that. So when I go to, since I live in the Midwest in Illinois, there's several water parks nearby. There's Key Lime Cove in Wisconsin, as well as there's Deep River Water Park in Indiana. Shout out all my Indiana girls that know about Deep River Water Park. So normally at Deep River Water Park, my family and I usually get, you know, the year-round, the annual pass for summer, for the season. They're called season passes. And that makes it a lot more fun and enjoyable for me for the water park, because I think the price of the water park is something like, don't quote me on it, but I think it's something like $39.99 a day or $44.99 a day. And if you get the $99 season pass, then you can have fun every day of the summer. You can go back and keep hitting that water park every single day with that $99 pass, you and your family members. So this year, I'm going to be using this when I go to Deep River Water Park in Indiana, and it's just one straight shot down Route 30. It's really easy to get to, and I'm going to have so much fun with my family when I go to the water park. So I'll be carrying this lovely Doodle print bag. This is a larger size tote. It's about, let me go ahead and give you the measurements for this beauty. So I don't have it stuffed right now. That's why it looks flat like this, but I would say lengthwise, you get a good 16 to 18 inches lengthwise, and then height-wise, you get a good 12 inches. So she's about 18 inches long when, you know, at her biggest, largest capacity, and she's about a foot, about 12 inches tall. And what I love about this Doodle print bag is the vachetta leather. The vachetta leather right here is just so beautiful on this bag. Absolutely a stunning bag with the vachetta leather. The Doodle print bag is very nice. I have her papers in here. Let me go ahead and take the stuffing out so I can show you the interior. So you're going to get this lovely red interior that Dooney Bourke is known for. Beautiful red interior right there that Dooney Bourke is known for in the lovely Doodle print bag. So I'm going to be loving this bag in my collection with all this beautiful vachetta leather. And I was thinking of pairing her up and wearing this beauty with my duck coin purse by Dooney Bourke. I'll probably carry this lovely duck coin purse with me when I use her. So cute for Dooney Bourke, as well as this lovely, and this is one of the older D&B key rings for Dooney Bourke right here. One of the older D&B key rings, so nice for Dooney Bourke with the Donegal D&B logo on it. So nice. Also, I love the multicolor shiny it bags for Dooney Bourke. This beauty right here, I picked this up a couple of years ago, and I've been enjoying wearing this lovely bag the Shiny It D&B print in the multicolor. Just so beautiful with that black background. And you can see, of course, that's why they call it the shiny, has the word shiny, and it's so beautiful and shiny. You can see the light glistening on it. I added this right here myself. This came off of another bag, but it has the heart, and I thought it was so, so cute. So I went ahead and I added that to the bag. I thought it looked really, really cute with it. And then most of the bags came with accessories. So I did get the wallet accessory, the little extra added coin purse in here that you can use with it. How cute is that? Most of these bags, whether it was the tote bag, it came with the extra SLG wristlet and accessory. So these are going to make very nice bags for me to use when I'm at the water park, when I'm at Deep River Water Park, or if I go to Great America, to an amusement park with my family. And I don't really ride a lot of the rides anymore. I just pretty basically play the games. Like I'll play the water games, or, you know, different games that you go ahead and throw the softball at different bottles and try to win a stuffed animal. I pretty much play the games at the amusement park. I ride the bumper cars, but I really don't ride like the Demon or the Spider-Man or any of those big roller coasters anymore like I used to, but I still go ahead and enjoy the amusement parks and the water parks. Also, if you head over to Deep River Water Park in Indiana, don't forget, you can't forget, if you're going to go to the water park over at Deep River Water Park, make sure you stop at the Albanese Candy Factory. The Albanese Candy Factory is right on the way to Deep River Water Park. And what I like about the Albanese Candy Factory is it's not just a candy factory where they just make the candy, but as you go in to make your purchase, your candy purchase, you actually have a visible view. You can tour the factory and you can actually see them making the candy with the sugar and all the ingredients. And you can see it right through the glass. You can see the candy on the different conveyor belts and how they're making the candy. If you have young kids or teenagers, or even as an adult, it's a very nice place to visit, the Albanese Candy Factory. There's 2 of them on Route 30 in Indiana on the way. There's a smaller one, but then there's the larger one that's right by Deep River Water Park. And if you're going to go to the water park and have a fun day, you might as well stop at the Albanese Candy Factory as well. But these are going to be 2 of my lovely summer bags that I'm going to enjoy wearing to the amusement parks this summer. And when I go to Deep River Water Park or Key Lime Cove in Wisconsin, or when I go to the Albanese Candy Factory, I'm going to enjoy wearing both of these lovely multicolored Dooney Bourke bags. So I hope you lovely ladies enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe on my channel. Stick with me for more videos on Dooney Bourke, and I'll see you ladies soon in another video.